Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So these stocks are hot stock picks. So let's go ahead and take a look at them, guys, because these stocks may be ready to explode. Some of them already started exploding, but the market is so volatile. They're still hot picks because they done exploded. Came down to, buy-in points, buy-in zones once more for it to go right back up. So, get in where you fit in, know exactly how to buy low, sell high, get in and get out. And don't be, trying to be greedy or wait. Oh, it could go a little higher. It could do this because the market is so volatile right now. And whenever it push up, it's going to push up. And especially if you trade options, you're going to be up 30, 40, 50, maybe even 70%. That's profit taking. Take profits because during lunchtime, usually it's going to sell off. You said once it sell off, you reposition yourself, ride it right back up during power hour. And if it don't recover in power hour, usually it will the next following day, early in the morning, and then you sell off and you done milk that same place twice. I did that yesterday with Snapchat. I alerted in VIP, gave you guys the exact entry where I got in at, gave you guys the exact exit where I got out at, told you guys my exact game plan, strike price, everything, expiration date, and all. Also, we did the same following thing today with Carvana, I believe. So it was Carvana. We was up over 70% today. Another insane play. Matter of fact, we was up over 100% today with Carvana. My bad, guys. And a lot of people made money off Snapchat, alerted me and let me know, thanks. And today they said the same thing. So you already know, guys. Just go and take a look at the first bang on the list. And we made money off this play as well. My apologies. Didn't have time to alert it. And that's the thing. That's how I want you guys to get in tune with yourself as well. Like some plays, I'm making money here, making money there, wherever opportunity presents itself. You never want to be in the mix and be, in a need of making money. Whenever you need money, the market always take money away from you or make it more harder for you to make the money. But whenever you're in a position to where you in abundance, money already flowing in other directions, and the market, you just using it as a tool to help further build your wealth. And you just use it as that, you just use that tool whenever the best opportunity presents itself. So whenever the market starts to spring up like the way it did today, opportunity be everywhere. So of course, I'm not going to, don't want to overwhelm you guys with too many plays and be like, oh, I'm in this play, we just made money. Oh, now I'm in this play. So I just try to stick to one of the quality over quantity. But in actuality, even though Carvana did fairly well, up over 10+% today, the play that, this other play that I was in on, and I got screenshots, told you guys where I made the money at, but it was up over 24% today. So that would have been even better play with options, would have made, you'd have been well up over, a few 100% on the return. So that first one will be Bed Bath & Beyond, guys. In the day at $5.11, as you can see, up over 24% on today. So that bad boy is ready to go. Volume is increasing. As you can see, when Bed Bath & Beyond spiked up, it started to hold up fairly well around the when this is a screenshot, so I can't look at the graph, the charts. But anyways, it started to hold up pretty well, guys. So Bed Bath & Beyond, if I was to look at that, matter of fact, let me go ahead and look at the chart so I can tell you guys exactly what to look for if anybody watching them, got this on their radar and want to know what to look at. So anyways, it looked like Bed Bath & Beyond is trying to build support at a low $5 range. So anywhere around the high 4s, 490s, the low 5s would be an ideal load up zone, guys, for Bed Bath & Beyond. Unless the market starts to tank and reverse tomorrow and we see like a, a strong pullback in the morning, and then it don't want to really come back, it stalls out, and then it starts to weaken, volume drying up. If we see signs of, the market not being anything like today, I wouldn't advise to, really get in too many plays or any plays at all. Just sit on the sidelines and chill and wait for the best opportunities. But if we see that volume, we see, the momentum, everything is still there from yesterday, then our ideal price target will be for the low 5s, the high 4s for Bed Bath & Beyond. And it should be looking to break out around that 550 range, guys. And if it does break out above that, that thing could fly. So you definitely want to have that on your radar. The next stock would be Carvana, guys. At the end of the day at $14.65. And my bad, earlier I said it did over 10%. It was up over well over 18% of this peak. So Carvana did fairly well today as well. They was kind of neck and neck, but Bed Bath & Beyond did do better. So anyways, Carvana is a great play, guys, as well. This bad boy is ready to skyrocket after it broke above right here. Let me see its key level today. It had went straight through that main level it needed to break through was that 14, around that 1470-ish, 1480-ish. Once it broke through that, guys, Carvana could run straight to around the high $15, $16 range. So we're looking for a push for Carvana as well. Good play. And that's for long-term and short-term call options, in my opinion. And next bang on the list will be AMC Entertainment, guys. Of course, we know AMC has been lagging behind, even with overall market, shooting up this morning. We still seen them trying to hold AMC back. They kept it under 7 today because we know something big is brewing there. Once AMC break above 7, it has some short-term resistance levels it had to get through at 8 and 9, and then its main resistance will be at $10.23. It break above 10.23, AMC could shoot up 50-60%, guys. So definitely have that on your radar. And last but not least, Tilray. Tilray definitely a bang you need to have on your list, guys. End of the day at 350, up over 13% on the day, and that bad boy could definitely fly as well, guys. If it break above that, hold on, let me go to the charts. Tell you guys exactly what level we looking for Tilray to break above. It hit a high today of 370, approaching that. If we're going on a 1 month chart, Tilray hit a high of around $3.90. That's exactly what we need to go and retest. That 390, it break above 390, it'll go straight to the early 4s, and $4.30 would be the next resistance it need to get through before we could see that $5-6 territory with Tilray, guys. And if you don't know, because I've been around to watch Tilray boom in 2018 for the weed rush, and also back, not too long ago, whenever it shot up to $60 for the share price and came all the way back down to $3. So we know Tilray actually moves. When it starts to move, that bad boy could shoot up hundreds of percent in a day. So you definitely want to be on the lookout for that one, guys. And last but not least is basically Snapchat. As we know, Snapchat fell hard 30% the other day and after hours. After earnings was reported, right? And they barely missed. Earnings wasn't even that bad. I told you guys we had end up losing a little $200 on the downside, playing it for earnings, expecting earnings to be fairly well, and we end up having it wrong. But I told you guys I wasn't worried. How hard it got hit, I was going to make that money right back on the back end. And that's exactly what basically happened. Whenever Snapchat felt like that, we waited patiently, waited for it to consolidate, and as soon as it started to uptrend, we got in with the call options, and boom, it printed us 100% return, guys, on Snapchat. As a matter of fact, we milked it twice, so we got that money back plus more. So that's how you got to do it sometimes, guys. And as we noticed, I could have did a put on Snap today, because when it ran up to $9.70, it's almost hitting 10 today, I knew without a doubt it was going to sell off, because it done recovers too. Like, it recovered instantly almost. And a quick recovery like that, usually it could go up to the previous levels and go even higher, but usually if it get anywhere near close to that level, a lot of people wasn't even betting on that, it definitely was going to sell off. So I'm looking for Snapchat to possibly pull back to around the mid 8s, possibly, somewhere up in the 8s. It could possibly come back to the mid-high 8s, and that would be, a nice little jump in spot for Snap as well. But it's very, skeptical with Snap. Me personally, I'm not going to touch Snap right now, being for the fact that I done made money off of it twice. That's just my strategy, my little system. Once I make a few dollars off something a few times, I fall back for a while, because usually that's just how the system rolls. If you got to learn how to put psychological factors inside of this market as well, guys, because usually whenever you do that, you'll get the money right back. So it's best to move on, make your money from a security asset and move on to another one, and then rinse and repeat that one, move on to another one. And if you do go back, wait after a while, give it time to actually, price action in. So anyways, guys, you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. Get your free stock down below at Robinhood and Webull. I love y'all. Watch out for spam, WhatsApp, and all that. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.